have this wood honeycomb cutout. It's an unfinished piece with some flowers on it. The brand is Place and Time, and I got this from Joann Fabrics. And at the time, I did have a 40% off coupon. And I decided to cut that in half. Then I'm going to take my Wise Owl Snow Owl paint and cover the entire unfinished piece of honeycomb with the Wise Owl paint. And you want to make sure you just give it some good coverage. And I'm going to allow that to fully dry. Once that was dry, I then took some dried thyme and I did the stem and leaves of some of these flowers. And now you can really pick any color that you want. I just wanted to give this piece a little touch of color. And then I took some vintage duck egg for 2 of the flowers. And then I'm going to use some black cherry for the last flower. And again, you can really use any colors of your choice. Wise Owl has a huge selection of a variety of different colors, and they can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And once I have everything painted, I'm just going to allow that to fully dry. Once dry, I'm going to take it and place it on the bottom half of this circle board. I get the board from Target, and I'm going to just make a line. And using some painter's tape, I'm going to place that on the line that I just created. In the bottom half of the circle, I'm going to paint using some Wise Owl Goldenrod. So you basically just want to paint the area where the wooden honeycomb is going to lay. And then I'm just going to remove the painter's tape. I have some small wood letters that I had actually grabbed at our local dollar store a while back, and I just stocked up on a bunch of them. But you can find letters like these right at Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to paint them all using some Wise Owl Snow Owl. And you can have your sign say whatever you want. I'm going to do Honey, I'm Home. But you can also do Home Sweet Home or Hello. Whatever fits your liking. And I have 2 wooden bees that I had cut off a decoration that I had also got from Joann Fabrics. And I'm going to paint those using some Wise Owl Black. Now you can find these wood bee cutouts at pretty much any craft store like Michael's or Hobby Lobby. And now that I have everything painted and dry, I'm then going to take my wood glue. I like the Elmer's wood glue. I think this works really great. We get that right off Amazon, but you can also find it in Michael's or Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to take a small art brush and apply the wood glue on the back side of the wooden honeycomb. And once I have a good amount on, I'm going to place that on top of the goldenrod section. I placed some painter's tape down. This just helps me keep my letters straight. So I'm going to put my letters on with the wood glue as well. And I did Honey, I'm Home. And then I'm going to place the bees on the board as well. I put one on the honeycomb and one on the top here. And I decided to move the I'm over just a little bit before the wood glue fully dried. And then there we go. We just have this fun board saying, Honey, I'm Home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.